My favourite pieces, well, all the talks were amazing, but even better is all the excellent humans I've gotten to hang out with. I really love how there's a lot of stuff about like Agile, but there's also some really technical stuff as well. And the technical stuff, to me, is what makes Agile on the beach really amazing. I can come and learn like in-depth stuff about software development, like talking about unit testing and, stuff like that. I find it really special.
It's not an expo. You'll actually hear really good talks and people won't try to sell you things.
The thing I've enjoyed most about Agile on the beach this year is actually just the space. You've got the sunshine, everything's outside, you've got the food stores. It's just a kind of really nice, friendly atmosphere.
It's a great place to learn, make new friends, network, just get a better insight of the technologies that are being used today and how Agile is implemented within them.
Wonderful community from people from all over the place, and they're missing out if they don't come to the 10th anniversary next year.